Turn any Excel spreadsheet into a powerful app. No AI needed. Every organization has spreadsheets that are literally doing work they were never designed to do. Tracking inventory, managing client relationships, running approval workflows, coordinating projects across teams. These spreadsheets work sort of, but they're quite brittle, error prone, hard to share, difficult to use on mobile, and completely dependent on everyone knowing Excel well enough to use them correctly. Now, turning those spreadsheets into proper applications with data validation, user friendly interfaces, mobile access, and proper permission controls used to require a developer and months of work. Now, in 2026, there are several platforms that take your existing spreadsheet data and logic and turn it into a real application in the matter of hours rather than months, and do all of that with no coding required. Now, this tutorial covers the complete process. Three platforms are worth knowing about for this specific use case. Now, first and foremost, we have glideapps.com. All right. Now, glideapps.com is, I'd say, the most mature and friendly option. It connects directly to Google Sheets and builds a mobile and web application from your spreadsheet data. Now, the interface for building the app is quite visual and drag and drop, and the resulting apps are genuinely quite polished. They look and feel like real apps rather than spreadsheet derived tools. Now, Glide is the right starting point for most people because the learning curve is quite shallow and the results are immediate. Then, moving on, we have another great software called Softer.io. Now, Softer.io connects to Airtable and Google Sheets and builds web applications with more design flexibility than Glide. Now, if your use case requires a customer facing portal rather than an internal team tool, Softer's design capabilities are more appropriate. Finally, we have another great software called AppSheet. Now, AppSheet is part of Google's ecosystem, and it is, I'd say, the most powerful of the three for complex logic, but also the most complicated to learn. And for spreadsheets with sophisticated calculation logic or complex conditional rules, AppSheet can replicate that logic in the app layer in a way the other platforms can't really always match. Now, before connecting your spreadsheet to any of these platforms, the data structure needs to be quite clean and consistent. App building platforms work best with spreadsheets that follow database conventions and have the proper aesthetic to it, like one row per record, one column per field, consistent data types, and a whole lot more. As you can see, I have proper data set over here, just as so. Now, common spreadsheet problems to fix before building an app: merged cells, because merged cells look good in a printed report, but app building tools can't parse them. So remove all merged cells and replace them with proper column headers. Multiple data types in one column can't work either, because if a column contains both numbers and text, normalize it to one type. Missing headers, like every column needs a clear descriptive header, every column is going to go ahead and need its recognition. Calculated columns that depend on other calculated columns in complex chains. Do make sure to simplify these or document them clearly so you understand what needs to be replicated in the app layer. Now, for a Google Sheets to Glide workflow, you are going to ensure your sheet is organized with data in separate tabs. And if you have multiple related data sets, one tab for inventory, one tab for actually going ahead and working with some other category, Glide treats each tab as a separate data source. Now, what you're going to do is we're going to be working with Glide for ourselves, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and finally download this spreadsheet. Okay, we're going to click on Save As. I'm going to save it in my Downloads folder and make sure that it is an Excel workbook file. I'm going to come right here and hit Save. Now, once we've saved it, I'm going to come over to my Glide. I'm going to click on Upload Spreadsheet, and here is my spreadsheet as so. And as you can see, it starts saying uploading. That says describe the app you want to build. Now, Glide is going to read the sheet, structure, and create an app basic automatically. Okay, so I'm simply going to hit create app. If it does do an issue with that, you're simply going to go ahead and write create a CRM. Now, once that is in, you're simply going to hit create. And as you can see, Glide Apps is going to go ahead and start creating the things. They might ask you to create an account, and of course, that is fair. It is a simple process that you're simply going to need to go ahead with. Just make sure to sign in with your Google. And once you go ahead and sign in with your Google, it's going to go ahead and ask you permissions and a little, user management. So just go ahead and answer those things out for yourself. Okay. Because of course it connects directly to your Google Sheets or maybe even in some cases your Microsoft Excel. And for it to do that, it does need to make sure that it is properly verified and given the correct permissions for going ahead and doing anything regarding the data. Now, once you've provided it the proper things needed, you're going to deploy Glide with the proper promptings and with the proper app, circuiture, and let it load in. And once everything is done and it sees your whole spreadsheet, and it makes sure the prompt is well working, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and start setting everything up accordingly. So as you can see, it says setting up your project and everything is going to be seen over here. So this is my project right here with the consistent, categories going on. And once all of this is done, everything should be deployed in the section. It should take like around 5 to 7 minutes. Just wait for it and you're good to go. Now, turning a spreadsheet into a proper application with Glide requires a clean spreadsheet data, a basic understanding of how these platforms map spreadsheet structure to app components, and willingness to iterate on the design until the user experience is genuinely quite smooth. So simply give it to these softwares and you should be good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.